I took the free walking tour in Florianopolis with Isaac, and the experience exceeded all expectations. Isaac was extremely punctual, committed, and demonstrated a deep knowledge of the city's history. As a historian, he conveys information with great confidence, contextualizing events in a clear, interesting, and engaging way. Another highlight is his sensitivity and empathy when addressing social issues, enriching the tour with important reflections and a more complete view of the local reality. Furthermore, he managed to provide tastings and samples at various restaurants along the route, making the experience even more enjoyable and authentic. A unique touch that surprised me was that, after the tour, I received a link with professional photos taken during the tour, an excellent quality souvenir that demonstrates the care and dedication to the participants. It was a very well organized, informative, and welcoming tour. I wholeheartedly recommend it to anyone who wants to get to know Florianopolis in a more in-depth, fun, and enriching way. Congratulations on the excellent work. Isaac had everything against him on the day of our tour: sweltering heat, several attractions closed for the pre-carnival festivities that we had to view from a distance. And what did he do in 2 hours? He gave us the best historical tour of Florianopolis, interactive, questions and prizes, interesting facts, best bars and clubs for the night, shopping and food streets, a load of information packed into the 2-hour walking tour. Hats off to Isaac. Highly recommended, a must-see in Floripa, and he deserves more than the 5 stars TripAdvisor gives. Visited with my 11-year-old daughter in February 2026. A guided tour of Florianopolis, a city with a relatively small historic center, may seem superfluous, but that's precisely why it's worth it. The tour allows you to notice details, discover stories, and better understand the city today and its history. Isaac, the guide, has created an excellent blend of history, culture, music, beliefs, and current events, a balance that can satisfy a wide range of interests. A very interesting bonus, the tour has established partnerships with local restaurateurs and offers the opportunity to sample some, very welcome, along the way. Recommended. Highly recommend. The guide is a trained historia, extremely knowledgeable and a fantastic storyteller, so the history felt engaging and easy to follow. I really appreciated the social and cultural context, including thoughtful acknowledgement of indigenous lands. The tour was very clear and well-paced, and the small group size made it perfect for asking questions and having discussions. We also got great local tips on where to eat and drink, plus a helpful overview of the public market. An excellent way to understand the city and get oriented. Amazing tour. With so many interesting spots and history, told with respect and, at the same time, amusement, by the local guide Isaac. It's worth getting to know Florianopolis from that perspective. For me, now, Floripa has a different name and different colors. I took the tour in Portuguese, but it's also available in other languages. And the highlight of the tour, tasting delicacies that the best of Floripa offers through its partnerships with local establishments. Smiles, you can book it.